Here's a video for Stone A3. We're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing with money. So first problem asks me how much would 6 fries cost, so I can find the cost of fries. I want 6 of them, so I'm going to take $1.45 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Carry my 2. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Move my decimal over 2 spots, it would be $8.70. I also could have added $1.45 6 times, but I felt like multiplying would be easier. How much would it cost for nachos and a shake? So I need to find nachos, $1.75. Find a shake, $3.15. And I'm going to add them together. 10, carry my 1, 8, 9, nothing to carry, $4.90. Dave paid for onion rings and a sloppy Joe with a $10 bill. What's his change? Okay, so the first thing I want to do is find out how much it would cost. So I need the onion rings and a sloppy Joe. So we got 265 and 215. Add them together. We're at 480. He's paying with a $10 bill, which is really $10 and no cents. $4.80. And I'm going to subtract because whenever I'm getting change, it's always means I'm subtracting. 0 minus 0, do not need to borrow for that one. 0 minus 8, no, I'm going to borrow. This 0 has nothing to borrow from, so we can borrow from him. He goes to 0, he becomes 10. Then this 0 comes back, borrows from the 10, makes him 9, and he goes to 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. You should get $5.20 back in change. How much for 5 donuts and 4 shakes? So I'm going to use the donuts. 5 donuts would be 85 cents times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 40, 42. My decimal 2 spots. 425 for the donuts. 4 shakes. 315 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry my 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. $12.60. And I need to add them two together. 1260 plus 425. Don't even have any regrouping going on here. There's a 5 and an 8. 6 and a 1. $16.85. The total bill was $43.80. If 5 people split the bill evenly, how much will each one pay? Look at the clues. Split, evenly, each. All of those are words that tell me I'm going to divide. So I've got 43.80 dividing by 5. How many 5s in 4? 0. 5s in 43 would be 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Subtract, I got a 3. Bring down this 8. 5s in 38 would be 7, which is 35. Subtract, I got a 3. Bring down my 0. 5s in 30 is going to be a 6. And then my decimal point, because we didn't have to move it anywhere, is coming straight up. See if the answer makes sense. $8.76. That sounds reasonable for someone going out and eating. Box of 24 pencils costs $5.52. How much does each pencil cost? Again, I see the word each, which is going to tell me I'm going to be dividing. So I got 552, and I'm dividing by 24. 24 is, you know what? Right now, I'm going to go ahead and get my decimal up there so I don't forget, because I almost did on the last one. 24s in 5 would be a 0. 24s in 55. Well, 24 is really, really close to 25, so I'm just thinking of quarters. 2 quarters would be 50, which is a little less than 55, so I'm going to do 2. But then I'm really multiplying, so 2 times 24 equals 48. Subtract, I got 7, bring down my 2. 24 is in 72, let's see. So 48 was 2. If I add one more on, yep, 72. Nothing left for a remainder. So each pencil costs 23 cents, which I can write this way, or 23 cents like this without a decimal. And last one. Brenda wants a donut and nachos. She has 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 2 quarters. How much more money does she need? Much more minus, so I know at some point I'm subtracting. So first thing I need to see is how much does it cost? And how much does she have? So how much would it cost a donut and nachos? $1.75 and 85. I add them together. She needs $2.60. She has 4 dimes. Well, 4 times 10 is 40. She got 40 cents in dimes, 3 nickels, 5, 10, 15, and 2 quarters, 25.50. How much does she have? There's a 5, 5, 10. Here's my 1. So she's got $1.05 and it costs $2.60. So now I need to subtract $2.60 minus $1.05. And we do need to borrow there. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. She needs another $1.55. Now that you've watched the video, please work on the problems. Do not use a dollar sign when you're putting your answers in, but definitely use a decimal point. And remember, it's money, so if you get something that comes out at 5.2, don't forget that's really 5.20, $5.20.